Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I am currently traveling here in Seoul, South Korea at one of my favorite places in all of South Korea, and that is Gwangjang Market. Gwangjang Market is a traditional market. It's actually one of the longest and oldest running traditional markets here in South Korea, dating back all the way to 1905. That's right, over 100 years ago. All right, so now you're wondering, how the hell do I get to Gwangjang Market? Well, there are two options that you can get to this lovely, awesome traditional market. The first option, you can go the easy route, take a taxi, pay maybe 15 to 20,000 won. That's a little bit exaggerated, but paying much more than you should be. Or you can go with a second option. You can take the subway over here to your Gwangjang Market and get off of the Ijuro 4 stop or the Jongno 5 stop right behind me. It only costs roughly about $1 US, and a bird just crapped on me. It only costs $1 one way US to get to this awesome traditional market. So what's so awesome about this place is that this market actually has over between 1,500 and 2,000 vendors, ranging from textiles, clothing, food, vegetables, all kinds of things. What it's most famously known for is actually the food stalls that they sell over here. Some popular food stalls that you gotta try when you're over here in Gwangjang Market is the mung bean pancakes, which is called the bindae-tak. You gotta try the kalguksu, which is the knife-cut noodles. Definitely the top two choices here in Gwangjang Market. It's actually one of my favorite places to come here just because I feel like every time I come here, I love hearing the sound of the hustle and bustle, the immense amount of foot traffic that's going all over this place, vendors like yelling, trying to negotiate prices. It's actually a pretty comforting feeling. I like it a lot. It's quite chaotic. All right, enough talking. Let's go find some food. Let's go find a food stall to go eat at. Good photo?
Wait. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So after checking from stall to stall, I'm actually at the infamous Netflix Lady's street food. This particular street food that was featured on Netflix's Street Food. Very kind lady. She makes like great food. But her stall is always packed. There's always three sections, three sides of the stalls that you have to check in and funnel in. But there are two main dishes that she's known for is the kalguksu, which is the knife-cut noodles. And then the other one that I ordered is actually a different variety. It's called naengmyeon, but it's the spicy version of naengmyeon, which is cold buckwheat noodles. Oh, you're gonna help me? Okay. Yeah, please help me mix. All right, so what's so awesome about coming here? This kind lady over here is helping me mix my own noodles. She's doing a great job helping me with the filmmaking process. 谢谢.
You are welcome.
Thank you. Okay, 谢谢你. Thank you so much. Yeah, I can do. All right, so tasting some of these buckwheat noodles. Really excited. Let's have a go.
我不知道，我还没吃。还不错。
This is amazing. It's got like a really cold, chili texture. It's like a cold chili texture with like a nice kick of spice at the end of it. It's perfect for like a hot summer's day. It's so good. I'm really happy with this. Really good, really good. I forgot to mention in the middle of when I was like describing the noodles, the owner, I don't know what her name is. I'm gonna put it down. What's this Netflix lady? She was actually cutting up my buckwheat noodles, my naengmyeon for me while I was talking to the camera, making sure there's not too long of a noodle strand. Like such a nice lady. Oh my goodness. Like really sweet and kind lady. You like? Frank, do you like the noodles?
他说你喜欢面吗？
Yay! So my friend next to me has so graciously let me try some of her kalguksu, some of her knife-cut noodles.
Wait more. Little super. Very delicious.
She's taking good care of me.
Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Try some of this.
Try?
Yeah, try some of this. Trying some of this knife-cut noodles. It's really juicy, thick noodles with like a slab of nori seaweed mixed with like the warm soup broth. Pairs well together. If you're in like really, I feel like if you're more in like a really soupy mood, definitely get the kalguksu. But if you kind of want something really cold and chilly, then the spicy or like the regular naengmyeon's like a better option for you. Either way, you can't go wrong with like either option. It's like such amazing food. Thank you so much.
Hello, order.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. 너무 감사해요.
안녕하세요. Okay. I just finished having food with the Netflix ladies. And now I am joined by my new friends from Taiwan, and they actually invited me over to grab some live octopus.
Oh my god!
So crazy!
Oh my god!
Our service.
Oh my god! You try? You try?
You try.
I don't know.
You try. No?
No.
Yes.
No.
I try, you gotta try too. Okay. A lot of peer pressure. I'm gonna make them try some of this live octopus.
Very good. Very good.
Good, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Very good.
She did it, yes. Alright, she's peer pressuring me. I gotta try some of this live octopus.
Oh! Spicy is good.
Wow. Crunchy as usual. It's a very chewy texture. We're like really good sesame to like keep up with the sauce. Good.
Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah.
那我吃一个蛇，我不要吃那个，好吧？
Okay, bye. Nice to meet you. Tastes a lot better with the soy sauce flavor, for sure. One thing that I want to quickly touch upon is that make sure you bring some cash with you to Gwangjang Market. Not all the stalls take credit card. Maybe some of the side stalls do, but I feel like especially in the main walkways, the main pathways, especially in these middle stalls, they don't take only cash only. So bring cash. Alright, it's been a long day. We just had some delicious spicy cold buckwheat noodles, naengmyeon, some really good mung bean pancakes, bindae-tteok. I got some live octopus. Extremely full after all those meals, but we're gonna end it all off with some freshly shaked fruit juices right in front of me. I can't wait to show you guys.
여기 아까 300 계산한 거 그거는지?
So just got my mixed multi-mix juice for 5,000 won. Oh my god. Whew. What an amazing, cold, refreshing drink to end off all that heavy, delicious meal that I ate. Holy crap. Oh my god. I can go... Whew. I could really go for a nap after this. I ain't joking, I ain't playing. I'm about to sleep after all of this. Shit, I'm about to sleep in this room right now. So at that fruit stand, they actually have like their office that they usually let patrons come in and like drink. So that explains all the binders, the desk, all the office supplies. But I'm gonna chill here, drink my nice, refreshing multi-mix drink. Very delicious, amazing. What a great way to end off all that heavy, delicious food that I ate with a nice, cold, refreshing drink. Oop. I'm gonna end off. Oop, I'm gonna stop filming. Don't want to disturb them. Alright guys, that just concludes my trip here to Gwangjang Market. It was a wonderful day. We had a lot of delicious food, drank some delicious drinks, and most importantly, made a lot of amazing friends at our trip here to Gwangjang Market. Good times, but it's all about the people. Anyways, I want to conclude this video. I hope this video serves you some purpose in your visit here to Seoul to definitely check out Gwangjang Market. It's a fun place for locals and tourists alike. You won't regret it. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.